Hey y'all, Ariel Patrice here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello, welcome. And if you are returning, thank you for staying. So I was about to start this video, but it is, where's my phone? It's not even in here, but it is 7 a.m. and my boyfriend was like, let's go to breakfast. So I'm gonna do something with this and then I'll be back in a couple of hours and we'll actually get to the video. All right, guys, I am back. So it is actually like almost 10 o'clock now. It's been 3 hours. We went to eat and then we went to the grocery store and I had to go to Walgreens, but now here I am to the real video. Okay, so as you can see from the title, there's a girl on YouTube named Ansah, I think is how you say her last name. I'm sorry if I mispronounce it. I absolutely love her, love watching her videos. And she has put me on to some things. And so one of the videos I saw was of a detangling brush kind of thing. And this is what it is. So this is the Michael Mercier Wet and Dry Detangling Hairbrush for thick hair. Now, it has 3 different kinds, the red, which is fine, the green, which is normal, and the blue, which is thick, and says works great on wet hair and dry hair, perfect for use in shower, quick detangling, gently massages the scalp while brushing, pleasant brushing, reduced hair loss and breakage. But this thing says it has 428 bristles, 32 varying bristle heights, and 16 different bristle widths and locations. And so she said she got this on Amazon. I looked it up on Amazon. Also got it for 15 bucks. So completely not sponsored. I just saw her video and wanted to try it out because, like I said, I love her. She's funny. Like, her hair is super healthy. We have 2 different hair types. But we do have both long and thick hair, but definitely my hair is a different curl type than hers. So I'll be interested to see how this works. And when she does this, she waters part of the section and then she uses this pre-poo, but this is the Moisture Miracle Aloe and Coconut Water Detangle and Conditioner Pre-Shampoo, which looks like this. So we are just going to get right into this and see what it is about. Okay, so the bristles are easy to move, but like hard, so I know that they won't like be breaking, hopefully, when I'm putting it in my hair. So that's good. Very lightweight. This is cute. I hope this works. It worked really well for her, but like I said, I'm really interested to see like how it will work on my hair. But, okay, let's go ahead and get started. In her video, it looks like she sprays with water first and then puts some of the pre-shampoo on her hair and then just goes straight in with this brush. And so I'm going to just kind of, because I had my hair in a braid, I'm just going to kind of separate it a little bit so it's not, you know, I at least give this brush a fair chance. And then we'll do some water. Some of this pre-poo. I'm not really sure how much she used, so I'm just going to use about that much. And now, moment of truth. It's time for this brush. So she started at the bottom, kind of, and she said, don't mind that sound because it's just detangling. Then we go up. There. I can feel it detangle. Oh! Huh. Wait a minute, I want y'all to see that. I want y'all to see how the that curl pattern though that it just did. What? Okay, and it's detangled. Let me get the back. Yeah, I'm more impressed with the with the curl pattern it is giving me right now. Yes. Okay. This is detangled. That is detangled. Okay. I ain't gonna lie, I haven't touched my hair in like 3 weeks. So this is how much hair I lost in that first part, because it's been 3 weeks, it's been in braids, it's been under a wig, and it hasn't had any chance to fall out. So we'll see. Let me do another section real quick. This time I'm going to do it without finger detangling and see how it does. Oh, these girls. No, this is for real. Okay, okay. That's shrinkage though. Okay, so I'm going to now time myself and see how fast I can get done with half of my head. Okay, and so let's see here. My timer is at just hit 11 minutes before the edit of this video, so let's start now and see. Okay guys, my timer is at 16, 28, 29, 30. So that is 5.5 minutes done detangling. It is going through smoothly in all areas. So I am going to twist this side up and start on the next one. And that was me making stops too. Like I stopped to pull the hair out, and I can't believe I went 3 weeks without doing anything to my hair. It is dry. It needs help. But I'm glad, I mean, even with that being said, like 3 weeks, and for this thing to be doing what it's doing right now, I'm mind blown. I'm shook. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do this side off camera, since it only takes like 5 minutes, and y'all just saw kind of how this one went. And then I will be back with my thoughts on this. All right, guys, I am back with my review of this thing and this pre-poo. So these two things. And you know what? I gotta tell you, I like these. I like these. Okay, let me start with the cons, okay? Honestly, I have no cons for this thing. I think this is the reason why my hair was able to detangle so much. And like I said, it's been 3 weeks. Okay, I'm about to show y'all how much I'm about to show y'all how much hair came out, because Amber, you know, there wasn't a whole bunch of hair that came out for her, but she does her hair every week. I typically do my hair every week, but life got a hold of me, my PhD program got a hold of me, my stats class, work, everything, and I literally did not touch my hair for 3 weeks. And don't judge me now, and don't give me this, oh my gosh, you need to take care of your hair. I know. I will never let it happen again, okay? But this is how much hair came out. I know. That is a lot. I know, okay? Look, I'm already beating myself up. I know. It won't happen again. I promise it won't happen again. And so, you know, maybe you catch me on a better day, there would be less hair coming out, but that is 3 weeks worth of hair that's just been built up, that hasn't had a chance to release. And so there it is. And so obviously, if it does really get like less hair, Lord, I'd hate to see how it is with like my comb and everything else, but I think I'm in a better state now. And honestly, for that much hair to be coming out, like, it was really easy to detangle. And so I guess if we want to say a con, but that's going to be on me and that's my fault, like, there was a lot of hair that came out, but it was because it needed to. But I don't really have any cons about this. Now with the brush, the only con I have is, and maybe it's because of my hair type, or maybe because it's so dry right now and it's been those 3 weeks, but there's a couple of the bristles that are going sideways now. I don't know if you can see that, but like how it's not straight like the others, kind of pushed in a little bit. But if you look around at all of them, it has really held up really nicely. And so that would be my only con, that it's just the first one and it's kind of pushed around. But like I said, my hair was a little rough. But other than that, this was fast. Literally 5.5 minutes on this side. So that means a total of under 15 minutes to detangle my hair. And I like that it's wide. I think if it was smaller, it would have taken a lot longer, but because of the size, it made it go by like that. And I think these two together truly, like, it says for wet and dry hair. I don't think I would ever do this with dry hair. I think it has to be wet just for my hair type. And these together, oh, beautiful, beautiful. Amber, if you're watching, I am so glad that you introduced me to this, because if I hadn't have seen your video, I wouldn't have known about this or this. And so I really appreciate it. I love these. I have no complaints. I truly have no complaints. And my hair is detangled. The shrinkage was real. I mean, I know y'all saw those curls from before. That was another thing. A pro. This thing makes your curls look so pretty. I was like, what? But the shrinkage is real, guys. Like, look at that. But yeah, so I got that out the way. I'm about to go actually wash my hair now. It can actually be manageable in the shower. But yeah, that is my review on what Amber Ansah, I hope I'm saying her last name right, but that's what Amber Ansah put me on. So I appreciate you, girl. And I will put her link down below. I'm pretty sure y'all already all know who she is, but just in case, I'll put her link down below. She does a lot of natural hair videos and trying out things, does some hauls and all that, but I really like her channel. So all right, well, that is all, guys. If you have any questions, let me know. Whatever you want to see, like always, go ahead and put it in the comment or do whatever you want. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you want, you can click that notifications tab so that you never miss a video from me. I thank you. I love you. I appreciate you all. And until next time, bye.